Happy Monday and Happy New Year. I'm wishing you all that your heart desires for 2022. So for those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Peggy. I'm a senior advisor to top investment funds on all things private investments related. I'm also an active startup investor. I'm a corporate director, an entrepreneur, and a public speaker. So I invested actually in crowdfunding platforms very early on. I invested in WeFunder in the US, in FrontFundr in Canada, and I still actually very regularly invest through this online platform, even if I have, a great deal flow due to my day job and my network. So over the years, I've been sharing a lot of insights on private investing, whether the institutional or retail investors, angel groups and over high net worth individual. So on the back of that, I started a series on YouTube, a series on LinkedIn, to disseminate best practices at large on, private investing, angel investing. So I received amazing feedback. So I decided that I will up this ante and start a newsletter called the Private Market Whisperer. So it's a newsletter that will be about how to best invest in private deal. But I will also have a premium section that will give you my best investment recommendation in companies that are listed on equity crowdfunding platforms. So that are available to everyone, available to retail investors, and very often for very small amounts. So the goal of this newsletter, which you can find on Substack, is to give you the tools to become a very successful private investor, again, regardless of the amount you have to dedicate to your private investments. You don't need to be a high net worth individual. If you are, that's great. If you're not, it is fine. So you'll find tons of insight on this newsletter, which is the pendant of these videos. But I would say, in addition, the premium subscribers to the newsletter will receive every other week a detailed analysis under the form of an investment memorandum of the best deal available on equity crowdfunding platform at this time. So that's really my recommendation. And as I do this video right now, you have more than 1,000 deals that are actually available through platforms. So obviously, and it's just for the 5 top platforms in North America. So you can imagine that it's quite daunting. So I'll do the hard work and I'll give you my recommendation every other week. And, hopefully you're going to become a very, very savvy investor, and you're going to be able to build a portfolio of private investments that will bring you diversifications, but also return opportunities, which is what we're all after. So if you want to be more savvy, and I would say as importantly, or even more importantly, benefit from my deal recommendation, you'll be able to subscribe from premium content very soon. And I really, really want to wish you a very prosperous 2022, and I hope we'll speak very soon. If you have any comments, please do so. I reply to every and any comment I receive. Thank you very much. Good luck and Happy New Year.